What's up? It's Aiduan and welcome to Russian vacation! Typical holidays in Russia are celebrated like this in summer. As you can see behind my back, there are some families and people that are having barbecues within their cars, and all the thing is going on with this beautiful lake. Take a look at it! Yeah! And this is the road that is leading to the lake. As you can see, it's super bumpy and goes both directions here and there as well. This type of vacation is popular among the people that are not too rich, and that's like the most population of Russia, because Russia itself is not a very rich country. And basically you can come here in your car and you don't spend anything. People love to do barbecue, and sometimes they leave a mess after them, and that's actually a very popular situation when you come to some public place and there is a lot of trash. Yeah, and I don't approve that, but actually, yeah. And here are a couple of cars that are hiding behind the grass. Probably some people are like sitting there and having a barbecue. Russia has a lot of beautiful places and beautiful nature. For example, fields like this, but unfortunately you cannot walk there because the grass is too high. Just look at it. Like it's on the level of my chest, so probably if I walk there, I will get some bugs on me, and yeah, not so pleasant. But from the outside they look beautiful. And here is the way to the water. It's like a lot of grass and a place where you can do some barbecues. That's how a typical barbecue looks like, and you still can use it. So you have to put some coal in it and then some meat or veggies upon it. People that are coming to this lake are partly from Moscow, partly from the neighbor towns, or they can be even living in these houses. Oh yes! And now I'm on the lake. Woo! Like I can dive in it right now. I won't though, but I can. Yeah, I can.
Мне холодно. Быстрее! Мы сейчас тонем. Если рассмотрим, нельзя.
And that's how another stop looked like. Some cars, some bikers, and yeah. So people are resting here. It's not the beautifulest bank in the world, but it's something, right? And that's not an ordinary tree, that is a bird tree, which is pronounced in Russian like beryoza, a traditional Russian tree, which is the country is associated with. A lot of Russian people love exactly this tree, beryoza tree. We actually have even a special juice, bird tree juice, which is called berezovый sok, which is getting from the cut of the tree. You cut a bit of a tree and then put some pipe in it, a small pipe, and then you drink it. Yeah, it's very popular in Russia. Some people are also using saps. It's like surfs, but not for the waves, just for the lakes. You have to stand and then swim in it like that. And if you go further, then you can find even a bigger lake with a beautiful sandy beach. Look at it! It's awesome! Here's a close-up. A lot of people are swimming and are having a good time. The water that was a bit cold, but then my camera died, so here's a picture from a phone. Sorry for that. And as you can see, there's like super many people, and even some of them are swimming on the bed. There is a parking lot here. It's like manly made, so it's not so luxurious, and you can also ride a dirt bike there. Oh right! And if you don't know how to drive it, you actually can go to school there. They are teaching it. So that was I the one. Tell me what you think about this video in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, see you next time. Bye.